Hi my busy bumblebees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some matching coloring and writing today. For our activity you need paper, 4 markers, ruler, 4 spoons, 4 forks, and 4 knives. When you're done, we'll see what's inside the Kinder Egg. Use a ruler and divide your paper into 3 parts. Let's make a pattern. Spoon, fork, and knife. Let's follow that pattern until all the utensils are finished. Try to stack them one on top of the other, but be careful so they don't fall over.
And gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
Hold your marker with using your thumb and index finger. Hold your spoon with your other hand and start tracing. Close your marker, push it on your table, and hear it click. Let's use red marker to trace the fork. Place 2 fingers on your marker, and with your other hand hold down the fork. Let's connect the dots and draw the lines to make it look like a fork. Don't forget to close your marker. I'm going to use blue marker to trace the knife. Use both hands to trace. Close your marker and hear it click. Tilt your paper slightly in the direction of your writing hand. It's coloring time. Use your fingers and move them up and down to color your spoon. Color, 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 color your spoon. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step. Spoon makes a sound S, S. It starts with letter S. Close your marker and then let's color your fork. Move your fingers up and down.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks.
Color, 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 color your fork.
Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Fork makes f, f sound. It starts with letter F. Letter F has 1 big line and 2 little lines. Close your marker and take blue to color the knife. Don't forget to hold the paper with one hand and color with your other hand. And sing with me. Color, 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 color your knife.
with the girls be handy.
Knife starts with letter K. K has one big line and two little lines. Let's review. S is for spoon, F is for fork, and K is for knife. You did it! Now let's see what's inside.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and
It's a
called it
spinning top with a
macaroni.
cute bear inside. Let's give it a good spin. I hope you had fun playing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!